In front of me is REDMI Pad Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this icon of a photo with a paper clip at the bottom right corner. And firstly, to add an audio one, select audio at the top, tap on one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, hold one of your files and hit select at the top right corner. If you want to add a video one, click on the same icon, tap on videos, hold the chosen one and hit select as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!